Hey everyone, welcome back to English Explained. I'm Emma, smiling so big right now because today's topic is warm, emotional, and honestly, one of my favorites.
And I'm Jack. Your smile is shining like a little sun today. Should I get sunglasses?
Oh, stop it, Jack. I'm just excited. Family conversations always make me feel safe, loved, grateful.
Same. There's something comforting about the word family. Even hearing it feels like a warm blanket on a cold night.
Or a hot cup of chocolate in winter.
Right, sweet, warm, and maybe a little messy if it spills, just like family.
Okay, listeners, today we're diving deep into family. Not just the definition, not just mom, dad, siblings, but emotions, memories, jokes, struggles, traditions, everything.
And as always, we'll throw in simple vocabulary explanations, because the goal is to help you learn English and enjoy the story.
All right, Jack, deep question. What does family mean to you? Not the dictionary meaning, your meaning.
Takes a thoughtful breath. Family, for me, means unconditional support. Vocabulary time. Unconditional means without conditions, without limits, without needing anything in return.
Beautiful definition.
Thank you. Family means I can show my worst day, my best day, my confused day, and they still stay. They don't leave, they don't judge, they accept. And that is powerful.
I love that. For me, family means home, not a building, a feeling, a place where I can be fully myself, where I can laugh loudly or cry silently, where it's okay to fail, where it's okay to ask for help.
That's so true. Family is the first place we learn love, in sometimes frustration.
Oh, yes, the frustration is real.
All right, Emma, let's talk about the people we call family. Describe your mom in one sentence.
One sentence? Impossible. She's too amazing. But okay, dramatic thinking sound. My mom is like a hurricane of love, strong, unstoppable, full of energy. She can clean, cook, help me, and organize the entire house before I even wake up.
Moms have superpowers, I swear.
True. And my dad? My dad is peace. Calm voice, kind eyes, slow movements. He's like a walking medication app.
That is the cutest description I've ever heard.
What about your family, Jack?
My mom's name is Diana, sweetest heart on earth. She gives hugs that feel like safety. My dad is the family comedian. He tells dad jokes so bad that they are actually good.
Give me one.
Oh no.
Give me one, Jack.
Okay. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear.
Oh my gosh, that's terrible and adorable.
That's every day of my childhood was like that.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one younger brother, Liam. He's energetic. Not normal energetic. I mean running around the house at 7 a.m. like he drank 5 cups of coffee energetic.
Oh, that type.
Exactly. But he's sweet and funny. Growing up, we fought over the TV remote, snacks, toys, basically everything. But now we're best friends.
That's the sibling journey. Fight, cry, make up, laugh, repeat.
Accurate.
I have one older sister, Mia. She taught me confidence. And she also stole my clothes. A lot.
Classic older sister move.
Okay, listeners, let's talk about why family matters. Even when they annoy us, even when they drive us crazy.
Because they shape us. They build the foundation of who we become.
Yes, they teach us how to communicate, how to love, how to apologize, how to forgive.
Exactly. And they make us feel like we belong somewhere.
Soft emotional voice. Belonging. Such an important word. It means feeling accepted and valued for who you are.
Let's give listeners a quick mini vocabulary list. Unconditional over without limits or conditions. Frustration over feeling when something annoys you. Foundation over the base or beginning of something. Belonging over feeling accepted and included.
Perfect. Let's jump back into stories. Okay, Jack, did your family have any fun traditions?
Oh, yes, many. Every Sunday we made pancakes together. My dad mixed the batter, my mom cooked them, my sister and I argued about who got the first pancake, because the first pancake is always the best.
This is true. The first pancake has magical powers.
Absolutely. My family had a Friday movie night. Pizza, blankets, dim lights, and the whole family sitting together. Sometimes we couldn't agree on a movie, so we watched two.
2? That's dedication.
Oh, yeah. And every Christmas, we made gingerbread houses. Mine always collapsed. Always.
That sounds like a disaster.
It was, but a delicious disaster.
Do you have a childhood scene with your family that feels like a movie memory?
Yes. One evening, when I was maybe 8, I had a nightmare. I woke up crying. My dad picked me up, carried me to the kitchen, warmed some milk, and we sat together until I fell asleep again. I still remember the warmth of the cup in my hands.
Soft, emotional voice. That's beautiful, Jack. Moments like that stay with us forever.
Yeah. What about you?
I remember one summer night. The electricity went out. It was hot, dark, and silent. My parents took us outside. We lay on the grass and watched the stars for hours. My dad told stories about constellations. I felt like the whole sky belonged to us.
Wow, that's cinematic.
It really was.
Okay, we got emotional. Time for something funny.
Yes, please.
When my brother was 5, he tried to wash our TV with water.
What?
Yep, he took a cup of water, poured it right on the screen, and said, "Now it's clean."
Facepalm. Oh no!
The TV died immediately. My mom screamed, my dad panicked, my brother cried, and I couldn't stop laughing.
Okay, Jack. In part 1, we started talking about our childhood memories, weird cousins, embarrassing family moments, and all the chaos that comes with growing up. And honestly, I didn't expect it to get so emotional.
What are you talking about? I always expect emotional disasters when we talk about family. Family equals guaranteed drama plus free food. That's the formula.
Accurate. But today, I want to take it a little deeper. Like, what does family actually mean when we grow up? Because when we're kids, family is just the people who feed us, tell us to sleep early, and yell when we break a vase.
Or when we accidentally burn a frying pan.
Jack, what did you do?
I was 10, and I tried to cook like a grown-up, but the only thing I cooked was smoke.
Oh my gosh, you were literally a fire hazard with legs.
And a dream. Don't forget the dream, Emma.
But really, when we grow up, the meaning of family changes. Sometimes it becomes bigger. Sometimes it becomes smaller.
And sometimes it becomes chosen.
Exactly. Because not everyone grows up in a perfect home. Not everyone has supportive parents or siblings who love them or a warm environment.
Yeah. Some people grow up learning to survive instead of learning to feel safe.
But even they build families later. Friends who stay, partners who show love, people who choose each other again and again.
Okay, quick vocabulary moment for our English learners. Phrase, chosen family. Meaning, friends or people we love deeply who become like family, even if they're not related to us by blood.
Yes, and it's a beautiful concept because sometimes the people who support us the most are the people we didn't grow up with. Do you know what memory of my family always stays with me? It's small, but meaningful.
Let me guess. Is it the memory of your mom chasing you with a slipper?
Stop! No! It's my my dad waking me up early on Saturdays, not to work, but to sit on the porch, drink hot cocoa, and watch the sunrise.
Oh, that's actually adorable.
It was his way of saying, life is busy, but there's always time for beauty. I didn't understand it then, but now I feel it.
You know, moments like that, they shape us without us realizing it.
Okay, Jack, your turn. What's a small moment with your family that stuck with you?
Smiles, looks down for a moment. It's my grandmother. She had this tiny wooden box filled with old photos, dried flowers, little notes, kind of like a time capsule.
That's so sweet.
Every time I felt lost, she would say, "Open the box," and I'd find a memory, a reminder that no matter how messy life gets, I wasn't alone.
Jack, that's beautiful.
She taught me something important, that family isn't perfect, but it's powerful.
A lot of people listening to us, they live far away from their families, working abroad, studying, supporting loved ones from a distance.
Yeah, they might talk to their family only through calls, messages, or video chats.
But even then, the bond stays.
Distance doesn't destroy love. Silence doesn't erase memories. Real family survives distance.
Okay, now let's talk about a dangerous topic.
What? Taxes? Politics? The cost of coffee?
Worse, family WhatsApp groups.
No way. The place where peace goes to die.
You wake up to 87 messages. 87, Jack, and 74 of them are the same good morning, sun picture.
And don't forget the chain messages. Forward this to 10 people or you'll have bad luck. I'm like, I already have bad luck, Auntie. I'm fine.
And then someone sends a video link with the caption, "This is you." But jokes aside, family gives us something rare.
Stability,
History.
belonging.
A place to return to, even if life takes us far away.
Support system. People who help, encourage, and emotionally support you. Family, whether biological or chosen, is our strongest support system.
And let's be honest, sometimes family relationships are difficult.
Yeah, people argue. People misunderstand each other. Sometimes there's distance, silence, or pain.
But healing is possible. Forgiveness is possible. And even if relationships don't become perfect, they can become better.
Growing up also means building our own family in the future.
Exactly. A partner, children maybe, or pets, because some people treat their pets like their babies.
Are you talking about you?
Yes, my cat is my child. Respect that.
I do, even though your cat hates me.
My cat hates everyone. That's her personality. So, if you're listening right now, I want to remind you of something.
No matter where you are,
No matter how complicated things are,
no matter how far away your loved ones are,
you are someone's family.
and someone is yours.
Family isn't about perfection. It's about connection, effort, memories, love that survives storms.
So that wraps up our two-part episode on family.
We laughed. We shared stories. We almost cried. We exposed Jack's kitchen crimes.
I was 10.
And we explored the real meaning of family, past, present, and future.
Thank you for joining us in this conversation. We hope this helps you feel connected, hopeful, and maybe a little nostalgic.
And wherever your family is, send them a message today. A call, a voice note, a small "I miss you." It means more than you think.
We'll see you next time. But remember, Take care of the people who love you.
And take care of yourself, too.
Bye, everyone.